drug problem has been elevated to a national security concern. And this calls for a more aggressive law enforcement action. It calls for a holistic approach, rehabilitating drug users, introducing alternative livelihood for those who claim that they have entered the illegal drug trade because they have no productive means of livelihood or no gainful occupation. This campaign will definitely not just target the ones on the street. We have, in fact, made significant strides in arresting and sometimes even neutralizing big personalities in the illegal drug trade.
Ang pagbukas sa punarya at 7 silang nakailira, puro baril eh. Pagkita ko, sabi ko, yun nga, anak ko nga. Sa tingin ko sa anak ko, ma'am, pinahirapan. Yung mukha niya, yung ilong niya, tumabingi eh. Tapos lumubog yung mata. Surrender mo siya o hindi, mas maganda pa hindi sumurrender eh. Siguro kung dinadaan sa batas yun, baka hulihin lang yun eh. Wala na eh, diniritso na lang eh.
As far as possible, we uphold human rights in the performance of our duties.
Walang kalaban-laban yung sibilyan ngayon eh. Lalo na yung sinasabing mayroong death squad. Hindi mo maintindihan yung polis ba huli siya o ano. Kukunin ka lang, di mo kilala kung papatayin ka na lang nila eh.
We will welcome all forms of investigation if there are any. We do not encourage vigilantism in any form, and we are sworn to uphold the rule of law.
Hindi na ako humingi tulong sa polis dahil sa tingin ko wala ring mangyayari.
We have to identify the very people involved in this and bring them to justice.
Wala silang takot na pumatay dahil sagot sila ng presidente, may sarili sila abogado eh.